Hi there, fellas. Hey guys, tell me, would you guys would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more cash? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about three best ways to make money online during this time of crisis. Okay, fellas, first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tell me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, 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 very awesome. So keep up, buddy. Okay, fellas. First of all, okay, before you guys start, let me give you this quote. Okay. If you don't like the way things are, change it. Okay. If you don't like the way things are, change it. Change it because you're not a tree. Okay. Yeah. This is a quote from Jim Rohn. Okay. This is a quote from Jim Rohn, motivational speaker. Okay, fellas, as you guys already know, these are difficult times. So then for many people, the ways that they used to make money is not working right now. So they have to find new ways to make money. Okay, so here are some ways that you can, that I'm going to propose to you guys. And you guys gonna identify, check it, and see if it's good or not, and then make a decision. Okay? Okay. Three best ways to make money during these times. Okay. Number one, it is you gotta create a YouTube channel. As I said before, YouTube is growing, and YouTube is a very awesome vehicle for you to create, to make money online, because it allows you to promote your business visually, because YouTube, you gotta make videos, and if you have to make videos, you promote your product, and when people see your product, they are much more likely to trust you. Okay, you give people the opportunity to see your product and analyze your product visually, and then make a decision whether they can trust you or not. Okay, so number one is YouTube channel. Okay, number two is eBay. Yeah, eBay. eBay, it is an online platform on which many people and businesses they have the opportunity to promote their products. Promote their products, and like this have customers coming in and buying their products. Through this platform. eBay, why eBay is good? Because eBay is known around the world, So, then if you have the opportunity to see products on eBay, and then you have the opportunity to promote a particular product, and to a lot of customers, you can make a lot of money, It could be products from another company. So if you promote products from another company that you find on eBay, then when people buy it, you receive a commission, which is very awesome, If one people buy a product, for example, you receive commission of that person. But if thousands of people or millions of people buy a particular product, then your commissions also become bigger and bigger and bigger, So what you need to know is, how can I say, what kind of product you want to promote, and how to, and you have to know about traffic generation. Okay, so number two, it is eBay. Okay, and number three, it is promote autoresponders. And okay, guys, promote autoresponders. Now, guys, autoresponders. What are autoresponders? Autoresponders are, how can I say, software programs that allow people to create a list of emails, What this allowed, it allowed people to create a list of emails, a lot of traffic, customers, on which give opportunity to entrepreneurs to be in contact with these customers on a regular basis. And like this, giving opportunity to entrepreneurs to promote their products on constant basis, which is a very cool thing. So if you have a business, and you want to be in contact all the time with your customers, you need an autoresponder. One of the greatest autoresponders out there it is GetResponse. GetResponse. And if you guys want to a link about of GetResponse, check the link below. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a link of GetResponse. Okay. Now that is the good thing about having autoresponder. So if you can promote autoresponder to many people and companies and entrepreneurs, you can gain a commission. There are many autoresponders out there that they want people to promote them. When you promote them, you receive a commission. So think about these things, okay? YouTube channel, eBay, and autoresponders. Okay? Okay, guys. As you guys already know, these are difficult moments. But the good thing is that, as long as you don't give up, you can always succeed. This is like the story of Jim Rohn. You know Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn is a motivational speaker, entrepreneur, was a motivational speaker, entrepreneur, and America's foremost business philosopher. So back in early days, when Jim Rohn was living with his wife, as you guys already know, he started not very strong because he did not finish the university and he didn't have a lot of money and he was struggling in order to to take care of his wife, okay? And then one day he had this opportunity to meet this entrepreneur and motivational speaker named Early Shove, And when Early Shove asked Jim, he asked him like this, "Oh Jim, what's up, buddy? And how come so far until now you did not have any opportunity? You did not have you did not achieve so much success that you did not achieve big success. You did not achieve big success in life. How come you didn't achieve big success in life?" Then Jim said, "Well, the reason why I did not achieve any success, actually he took a list." And then he showed to Mr. Early Chov. And then on the list was, it was because of the government, it was because of the negative relatives, it was because of the prices, it was because of the political parties, and he showed a lot of lists, he showed a lot of things on the list, a big list, really big. Yeah. So then Mr. Early Shove said one thing. "Okay, Jim, there is just a little problem with your list." Then Jim said, "What it is?" "You ain't on it, You blaming everybody else, but you're not blaming yourself, So he told them that in life, things do not change. Things don't just change because they have to change, If you want your life to get better, you have to change. As a matter of fact, if you change, everything will change, See, and then told them, don't wish things were easier. Wish you were better, okay? Don't wish for don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills. Okay? And then when Jim Rohn took action from this, from these ideas that Mr. Early Shove was giving him, these ideas, then Jim Rohn went around and used all these ideas. He went around to become America's foremost business philosopher. and everybody respect him. Everybody respect Jim Rohn, especially Tony Robbins, because Jim Rohn was Tony Robbins' first mentor. Okay, was Jim Rohn. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna give you from this story of today. Make sure you do not give up, okay? And constantly, how can I say, keep searching for better ways to improve your life. Okay, buddy? Okay, fellas, check the link below so that you can have the opportunity to see this free ebook that is going to teach you how to deal with problems of life and business. Okay, and by checking the link below, you're going to have the opportunity to see this program that's going to help you to make money online in a very effective, awesome way. Very effective, awesome way. Okay, and yeah, okay, best. Okay, so take action and write your comments below and subscribe to my new channel. Subscribe to the channel because it's a new channel. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video, buddy. I'll make a video tomorrow. Ciao.